Offer is defined under Section 2A of the Contracts Act 1950. According to this section, an offer is defined as when one person signifies. The word signifies here means menyatakan atau menyampaikan his willingness, kemahuan dia to do something with a view, with the intention to obtain the assent, the consent or the agreement of the other party. So this person is said to make a proposal or an offer. This is an example of an offer. Let's say we have Zaid who signifies to Adam that he wished to sell his car to Adam for 30,000. Whether Adam agreed or not to buy his car for that price. So Zaid is signifying to Adam that he wants to sell his car to Adam. Now, Zaid here is the person who makes an offer. So Zaid is called as the proposer, offeror or promisor. Briefly, when Zaid signifies to Adam of his intention to sell his car to Adam for 30,000, here it means that Zaid is making an offer. Next subtopic is how to make an offer. According to Section 9 of the Contracts Act, there are two ways how to make an offer. One is express and second is implied. Express here means the offer is made in words, either verbally or in writing, while implied here it means the offer is made without the usage of any words, meaning it is implied, it is inferred from the conduct of the parties. Briefly, implied offer means the offer happened by looking at the conduct of the party. The person is assumed to make an offer. These are the examples of the means of communications where an express offer can be done by the usage of words between the parties. This is an example of an implied offer. For example, when a transport company who runs buses from one destination to another destination on a particular route, taking passenger. This is an implied offer from the transport company to carry the passengers for a certain fare. So this offer is accepted by a passenger as soon as he takes seat in the bus. In this situation, no words being used in the offer. Only from the conduct of the bus company, the passenger can infer that there is an offer being made by the bus company.